Alright, finally got a fire going. It's a little windy, but we're keeping it small. We want to cook some food on here. Seeing as we're windbound, not able to do anything. It's still gusting pretty good, as you can see. Woo, there I am. Having fun though, Mark?
Oh yeah,
Of course. It's always good.
always good times.
Anyways, we're going to get some food shortly. Mark's hungry and cranky.
Not cranky.
You're not cranky? Okay, good.
Bacon?
Yeah, whatever you want. Mark's making up his pizza. Being a gentleman, letting him go first. He is a guest, you know. I think you're past a guest at this point on trips like this.
I was gonna say, when do you stop being a guest? How many times have we go?
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Good job. Look at you.
Nicely.
You know what you're doing, eh?
I think so. A little bit.
It's a full pizza there, some bacon, salami, cheese, hot sauce, green onions, and a little bit of chipotle mayo. The green onion is what makes the pizza. By the time you finally listen to me. Alright, there we go. Campfire pizzas, crack canoe. Can't say there's a better meal, eh? Pizzas are probably one of my favorite meals when camping. They're easy and doesn't take too many ingredients to make.